Hi there, I'm Peter from Better Earthing, and I'm going to show you the power of earthing with our Better Earthing sleep system. So we've got a sleep system which fits underneath a fitted sheet directly on top of your underlay and mattress and so forth. So we've got a sleep system connected to our special earthing adapter, which is connected to a cable which has got earth in it. This cable connected to a plug in the wall. It's not turned on. We don't need it on. You can have it on or off, it doesn't matter, but I've got it off. I just want the earth. We've got our multimeter, auto range multimeter, connected also into this earthing adapter so that our multimeter is earthed. We then turn the multimeter on to AC voltage, which on this auto range is just one click clockwise. I then hold on to the other end of the lead, or the end of the other lead, the metal part of it, and I'm measuring. You can see I've got 3.1 volts of AC voltage in my body. So here's an interesting little thing. If I put my hand near this live switch and on it, I'm up to, let's see if I can get 10 volts. Yeah, I'm up over 10 volts, I'm up to 11. So I've now got 11 volts of AC voltage in my body that I'm picking up from live wires. I take it away, I'm down to just under 3 volts of AC voltage, which I'm picking up from live wires in my nice house here. So, earthing, the power of earthing with our Better Earthing sleep system. I'm wearing jeans. I've got my fitted sheet directly on top of our special sleep system, and I'm sitting directly on it, and I've just gone down to 0.1213 of a volt from about 3 volts. So that's about a 25, almost a 30-fold decrease just sitting on it. So obviously we're going to do more than sit on it, we're going to sleep on it. I'll just make myself get comfortable. So I'm going to lie down, and I'm sorry about this, I need a third arm here, and I'm just under 0.04 of a volt. So I've gone from 3 volts to about 0.04038, so it's about an 80-fold decrease in AC volts in my body, which measures how powerfully I'm earthing or how powerfully I'm conductively connected to the earth. We can never be directly connected to